Hi, I'm Francesca and today I'm going to talk to you about using concealer to highlight, contour and conceal your skin. Concealer is such a versatile product. You can use it in so many different ways. You can use it to conceal, obviously, but you can also use it to highlight and contour, and occasionally I like to use it as foundation with moisturiser as well. So it's a really handy product to have. Firstly, when you're using a concealer to actually hide blemishes, imperfections, redness or anything like that, it's really important to use a shade that perfectly matches your skin tone, as you want the concealer to cover the blemish and melt into your foundation. It's really important not to get something that's too light or too dark, as the colour contrast will only highlight the blemishes and make it even more obvious. When selecting a concealer for the under eye area, I like to choose a shade that's one shade lighter than my natural skin tone, as this really lifts and brightens and hides the darker circles we often get under our eyes. So if you just apply small triangles just under the eye and then just gently blend away onto the tops of the cheekbones, you can either use a beauty blender, soft blending brush or even just your fingers. To highlight, I would use the same colour concealer and apply to the high planes of the face that you want to lift and enhance. So the cheekbones, down the centre of the nose, the cupid's bow and the brow bone, and this will help to give a three-dimensional structure to the face. It's a much softer way of highlighting than using shimmery or glittery products. It's just very soft and subtle. Once you've highlighted your skin, you then take a concealer that's 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone and apply to all the areas that you want to create a shadow. So for example, the hollows of your cheeks, the temples, down the side of your nose and along the jawline. Use the same method as with the concealer and just do a few dots in these areas and then gently blend away using a beauty blender, soft blending brush or even your fingers. Once you've highlighted, contoured and concealed, just go over the whole face with a beauty blender. Just make sure everything blends together seamlessly and just looks really natural. Also, make sure you double check in natural light, because natural light and artificial light are so different, so you want to make sure it looks perfect in daylight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful and enjoyed it, and if you have any questions at all, please post below.